Do you want to know how to convert MOV to MP4? You've found the right video then. Let me show you the best ways. Hey everyone, Dams here from Wondershare UniConverter, and in this quick video I'll show you how to convert MOV to MP4 easily. I will show you two ways, so in the end you could decide which option is best for you. Before we jump into converting, however, let's briefly talk about the differences between these two formats. MOV is a format developed by Apple to use on its own devices. Of course, over the years it's become a more versatile format and a lot of cameras and other devices use it now. But Windows, for example, is less friendly with it, obviously, and you may also come across other platforms and devices that are like, nah, we don't like MOV, give us something else. MP4 is supported by everything, so when in doubt, convert files into MP4. And that is what we're gonna do first with the online video converter that is completely free and takes only 3 simple steps. First of all, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com/videoconverter, or the link is in the description. And on this page, you will find the online video converter. If you're on the site, follow these steps. Step 1. Drag and drop your video file or click on the window to select it from your media browser. Note that the file size limit is 100 megabytes per file. Step 2. Next, choose your output format, which is going to be MP4 in our case. And then step 3, click on the convert button. The tool will upload and convert the file. The speed of this will also depend on how fast your internet speed is. And finally, when the conversion process is complete, download your converted file. And that is it. It's a very convenient tool to use when you have small MOV files to convert every now and then. However, if you need something more powerful for large MOV files in a batch maybe, the UniConverter is a complete multimedia toolbox, not only with the most powerful converter out there, but many AI tools too that you can utilize for video and audio editing. You may download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com, or again, the link is in the description. The converter feature of it is just as simple to use as the online video converter we just checked out, so let's see how to convert MOV to MP4 with this tool. Now, after opening the UniConverter, the converter tool will be right here on the home interface. In this next window, you need to drag and drop your files. As I previously mentioned, you can import multiple files at once and save time with converting. Here, you can choose the output format for all of the files on your list, but you can also do it one by one. Now, it is MP4 for us for all of the files, so we're just gonna go with the universal option. And lastly, after you have chosen an output folder, you can initiate the process by clicking on Start All. And that is how to convert MOV to MP4 in the simplest and most convenient ways. I hope this video was helpful for you. Choose whichever tool serves you the best. Now, we appreciate a thumbs up on the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel as well for more how-to and tutorial videos. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.